Hello world, Ryan here, sharing some thoughts from the road, same job, different uniform, load, locate, deliver, record, repeat. Hopefully we learn something together, or at least kill some time. Logan and Lincoln County line, right here, right where this road crosses over. I grew up in Raleigh County, moved there from Upshur County when I was young, and the McGee family were the first black people I'd ever met in my life. Then I hit 5th grade at Institute, and I was one of about 3 white kids in my class. That was an education they don't put in the curriculum. Years later, I'm at WVU in Morgantown with my friend David, and we're walking around campus going, where are the black people? And that's when it started to click. That Morgantown is one West Virginia, and Raleigh County is a different one, and the reason goes all the way back to these hills right here. The southern coal fields, Logan, Raleigh, McDowell, Fayette, Mingo, brought black workers up from the deep south, starting in the 1870s and 1880s. Over a quarter of WV's mining workforce was black by 1909. The companies recruited them, sometimes as strikebreakers, which was ugly, but the miners figured out pretty quickly that the only thing that worked was standing together. 1921, 10,000 miners, black, white, Italian, Hungarian, Polish, strapped on their guns and marched on Logan County. Blair Mountain right over that ridge. They called themselves the Redneck Army, red bandanas around their necks. Every man the same color when you're looking at a kerchief. The UMWA called what they built, standing united, living divided. They were right. Those men fought together and bled together and then went back to company housing where black miners got the oldest, worst maintained housing. The solidarity was real. The equality wasn't finished. But here's what I know from 5th grade at Institute. You don't forget the people you stood next to. Whatever else is true, that part stays. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.